This is a plug-in 16.5 volt AC transformer. This was sent to me to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $18. They haven't paid me for my review, and my opinions remain my own. So this guy you plug into a standard US 120 volt outlet, and it puts out on these two AC lines a 16.5 volt AC current. And typically that would be used for doorbells or thermometers for controlling, or thermostats for controlling, like a HVAC AC or furnace type unit. The center pin here says it's connected directly to ground. There's also a hole here you can screw it in to keep somebody from, mindlessly pulling it off and disabling your HVAC thermostat or doorbell, for example. So it's pretty hefty. It's obviously a wire round transformer in there. So the weight of this unit is 1.9 pounds. Power output is rated 16.5 volts at 2.4 amps or 40 volt amps. If your power factor is 1.0, that would be 40 watts. If your power factor is like 0.5, that could be 20 watts. All right, we have this guy plugged into about 125 volts AC. And it is putting out 18.5 volts, so a little higher than the 16.5 volts. That's probably rated at like 115, but it is very much in the area of where you'd expect a doorbell or a thermostat transformer to be, because they're typically going from like 16 to 24 volts AC. So I've hooked this guy up to resistive load. This is a 120 volt light bulb. I don't know if you can see in there, but the filament is glowing slightly. Now obviously it's not able to provide enough voltage for this light bulb to fully light, but it's drawing as much current as it can through that guy. And if you look at the voltage is sagged down to very low amount, so it's almost 0 volts here, because it's driving essentially a short circuit. But it's driving it, and there's current going through there. It's delivering power to that filament, so it's working fine, driving a short circuit. All right, I have this guy hooked up to my doorbell. Now it typically takes this doorbell a couple of seconds to power on and boot up and do all of its things, but it is receiving power now. All right, there it goes.